Okay, so we will start creating our user and generating access key ID and secret access key for that user. And we need to go to IAM to do that. And if we click on users, I'm going to add a user, and the username I'll say AWS CLI user, and I want to give the user an access type of programmatic access, and this will give me an access key ID and secret access key that I will paste on that AWS configure command later on. So when I say programmatic access, I don't need this for now. I'm going to skip this. Next. And since we will be doing a lot of things with this key, I'm going to give this an admin access. Okay, so if I say attach existing policies directly, I can give admin access to this. Now, if you don't want to give admin access, you can individually pick access on certain resources. Like I could say, I want to give this user access to my S3 bucket, my EC2 instances, that kind of stuff. But admin access will make it easy for me to access all the resources. So I'm gonna choose this and say next review, create user. All right. Now one thing to remember is if you're handing out user accounts to other people, make sure you don't want to give the admin access to them, because that will make them able to do a lot more things, so almost everything. So you don't want to give your access root admin access to other people. This is for yourself. So when we do this, a success message will show up, and I will have my access key and secret access. Now this is only one-time thing. You cannot view your access key ID and secret access key after this window. So I can either show the access key here, but I can also download the CSV file. I'm going to download the CSV file, and I'm going to close this. Okay, so open. Okay, so this is my my access key and secret access key that I'll be using for this for this tutorial. Now what I will do is I'll go back and I'll say AWS configure. Right, so in place of this access key ID, I'll put in whatever is in this that starts with AK. And when I do that, whatever is in the secret key access key on here, so starting with EJ, I'll put in here, and region will be the region that I want to work on. So once again, US East 1 or US East 2, US West 1, 2, Southeast, anything you want to work with. And default output, I will do table. You can do JSON or text, or just not enter anything, and you'll be given the default option. All right, so once you do this, you should have your AWS configuration done for you, and we can start doing a lot of things. So we'll do that in the next video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.